Hi, we're Monique and Nick, longtime adventure lovers and new parents. When the opportunity arose for a Whitsunday sailing trip with the family, we just couldn't miss out. Watch as we sail the Whitsundays with our 5-month-old baby.
Yes, oh my goodness. He looks like he's gonna sleep. He's so good. What is it, a champion?
Owen's first flight went off without a hitch. He slept the entire time.
Here we are, Monique and Nick just turned up at Early Beach Yacht Club, and we're about to hop on Epi. Here we go, we got a little man with us as well.
About 2 degrees warmer than home.
Oh, stop it.
He's easy going, that's a good start. He's not yelling and screaming.
Not yet.
He's a good boy. Is this your first little boat ride? There we go. Oh, look at you already. Let's go sailing. Let's go.
Let's go sailing.
Thank you, mate. Thanks so
All
much.
family, yeah.
Next one next year is waiting for you.
Oh, thank you, lovely.
I'm the king of the world. There we
You
are,
can
over
make
there.
your life jacket.
And just like that, we were sailing. There was no time to waste, so we headed off to our first stop of the trip.
There's home for the next 3 nights. That's where I'll be sleeping.
We're in the Whitsundays. Where did Dad say this is?
Where are we? We're on South Mole Island,
South Mole.
and we're going to hike up along this ridge line right up to the top, right there. The sun has finally come out and we're pretty bloody excited, so let's get into it. It's just crazy that there could be such a resort here and it's abandoned.
Yep.
No one stays here. There's one bloke that lives up there, caretaker and his dog.
Oh, look at the room.
It's just crazy. So, believe it or not, that's where Tom Hanks' Castaway was filmed.
Sometimes Nick's facts are made up.
Mole Island National Park. Can you believe we woke up at home this morning, caught the $79 Bonza flight from Newcastle to the Whitsundays, and now we have sailed to the Mole Island. So we're at South Mole and we're going to take on the walk.
Let's go. In the gang. There they are. Troopers.
Oh yeah, are you wondering how we got here? We're sailing with Dad
Hey,
and Neil, who's back at the boat.
way to go. Someone's got to cook dinner.
Oh,
no.
We made it!
That's where we're living. Right there.
How was it, Owen? You quiet now, the camera's there.
In for life, mate. How happy. Another boat in.
Are you a happy baby?
Fine island.
Because we were on a tight schedule, we sailed off into the sunset and through the night through some pretty rough seas so we could squeeze in everything we wanted to see.
Oh, look how tight he is. He can't even keep both eyes open at once.
We're about to see one of the
Look alive!
best beaches in the world and you're going to sleep through it.
So what are we doing? Tell us, Skipper Tony.
We are off to, we're in Tongue Bay and we're going to do a little walk that looks over Hill Inlet,
Yeah.
which is quite beautiful. Quite
And
beautiful.
is that Whitehaven Beach we're looking at?
That is the northern end of Whitehaven.
Ooh, and we've got Grandad taking us on the walk.
Yep.
We've got Poppy just chilling.
He's on standby.
Our beck and call
He's
to
on
come
That's a beck and
standby.
call.
on Uber duties.
Yep.
That's right.
And Owen's on sleeping duties.
The wet weather option.
Yeah, stay under here. This is the one that fascinates me. Look at the Nirukandji.
Oh,
Look how tiny it is.
you find one of those, you're having a bad time.
Oh.
Find any of those, you're having a good
I know,
time.
I didn't realise they were that small. Imagine seeing a false killer whale.
Hello, Muffin. You like it? You just want to go to sleep.
I'll appreciate it in 10 years when we come back.
Yeah, look, see all the cool things you do that you won't remember.
If you look down in the water,
Oh,
see
do you
them?
really?
See, 1, 2,
Yeah, the
3.
stingrays.
yeah.
Wow,
See, there's
heaps of them.
heaps of them down there.
Enjoying the view.
He loves it. He
Rang
always
in.
falls asleep at the best part.
One of the prettiest places in Australia, if not the world. It's Owen Cam. Owen Cam.
Are you doing selfie mode? Do you think it's time we might dip your little feet in?
Let's go.
Oh, already it's going well.
Let's go.
Have a dip.
For a swim.
Have a dip. That's all. Oh no, you don't like it. It's a bit cold. That's okay. It's not warm like a bathtub.
Smile that time.
It's not warm.
Do you want to go again?
Go again, have a little dip.
Oh.
Oh.
I think Owen might be the only person in the entire world who was disappointed with the swim at Whitehaven Beach.
Whitehaven Beach. Bucket list. So is this Whitehaven Beach lookout walk?
I don't know.
Yeah, Whitehaven was there.
Whitehaven lookout. You're so noisy. Oh, you get up high really quickly, don't you?
Oh, wow, that's sensational.
Here comes the rain again.
It's raining for the 17th time today.
Nothing like a rain shower in the...
Raining at Whitehaven Beach. Who would have thought, eh? Nick and Neil are swimming back into the boat and you can see all the rain. So they couldn't resist a swim. Oh, skipper!
Yeah. Where are we going, Captain? Where are we going? That way. Cool. Hold on.
Oh, pay attention, Owen. Don't fall asleep at the wheel.
You got it? Steering.
You're so happy. We have Manta Ray Bay in the Whitsundays completely to ourselves, We're gonna wake up here in the morning and hopefully go snorkeling with a huge Maori wrasse named George. So fingers crossed we can find him, but paradise. Behave, Owen. So the first activity of today is snorkeling at Manta Ray Bay.
And meeting George.
Oh, and then George. Woohoo! How do we look?
Like fish out of water.
I feel like one.
Ready?
It's surreal to think the first time that we left our son with anyone was to go snorkeling in the Whitsundays with this beautiful Maori wrasse named George. He was so friendly that you could touch him. And meanwhile, it looks like Poppy and Owen were having some fun of their own.
We're just keeping ourselves amused, aren't we, mate? We got this. We got this. You like that one, don't you? Yep, and we got this book. Yep, we're having a great time, aren't we? Then you got the hiccups. Listen to these hiccups.
And when we were finished snorkeling, unfortunately, it was time to make our way back to Airlie Beach because we had a flight to catch the next day. We feel so incredibly grateful for the time that we had in the Whitsundays with Poppy and Grandad. Thanks so much for having us, and we can't wait to do it all again next year.